What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I have yet another subscription box. This is our Boxycharm base box for 25 bucks. I am very excited to see what we got. I did kind of take a little peek, but I haven't seen every item. This is the Boxycharm Flourish is the theme for the month, as you may have seen in my Boxycharm premium unboxing. If you didn't see that, it is one of my last couple of videos, along with my Ipsy unboxing, which has my Ipsy and Ipsy Plus. I do have one more box coming this month. That's the Glam Bag X. So I'm very excited to get that as well. But for today, we got Boxycharm. So let's open her up and see what we got. First up, Hot Toddy Heat Protection Mist. I'm actually very excited for this. I love Drybar products. This is one I will definitely use because this is before ironing. So it's a heat protection spray, obviously. And I do a lot of like flat ironing, not a lot, just a little bit to kind of smooth everything out, and then curling as well. So I'm very excited to have this. This one is up to 450 degrees. I think I flattened my hair around 340 or something like that. I don't know. I'm not an expert by any means, but it will definitely protect me. So this goes for $27, and it says it protects hair from heat styling, curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees, 232 degrees Celsius. So yeah, I'm very excited for this. As I said, I love Drybar, and this is actually a product that I will get a lot of use out of. So I'm very happy. Let's see what's next. We got something from Beekman 1802. This is Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. So it comes in a box. Looks like there's a bag in a box kind of situation here. This goes for $42. I've never tried this brand. I've never gotten anything from them, but it says say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes. It's a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. It has actives and goat milk to quickly absorb into skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes. It says it also helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. I have been getting so many products lately for puffiness and dark circles. A lot of like eye gels, things like that, but I've gotten them in PR. I've gotten them in like almost every subscription box I've gotten recently. I think I need to start putting these to the side to give away because I do not have these concerns. And like sometimes I do like to try them out, but really it gets to the point like, okay, I don't need this many things for depuffing when I'm not even really puffy, like every once in a while, but it's not a major issue. This is the packaging right here. It looks pretty cute. I mean, I'm down with the packaging. It looks pretty simple and a little pump. So unfortunately, this is just isn't really in line with my needs. Yeah, I don't know. I can't really be excited about this. It has goat milk and colostrum and milk probiotic. That's a lot of dairy. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, not really one I'm excited for, but it's just because I don't have that concern. Next up, we have the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I actually was kind of curious about this, so I'm pretty keen to have this. It's one of those where I like thought about buying it, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna buy it. But getting it now, I'm very excited to have it. So this is a good product to get as well. I haven't tried it, so I don't know anything about this formula. This is the shade Sunbeam. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. I know I haven't even looked at the info. This goes for $27. It's an instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brightener lets your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focused finish, includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. So I was just checking out that other end. Oh, okay, so you could just take that guy out. I don't know how well that would really work. It's so teensy, you know? But here's what it looks like on the back of my hand. Here's the packaging too, in case you want a closer look of that. Do a little tap, 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 tap. Okay, I mean, it looks pretty. You definitely see a little sheen there. It looks like a soft kind of glowy look, but I mean, I can see this. I use glowy products underneath my makeup a lot of times, and I would imagine this would be really pretty on its own as well. If you were going for something really natural and just, you know, like a little touch of this, a little touch of that, this would be really pretty. So I'm excited to try it. I mean, Shape Tape products are extremely hit and miss, but I do like the new Shape Tape Hydrating. I feel like it's just a good enough change to make it more suitable for me, so I'm excited about that. Next up, we have, it's a brush set. These bristles look really nice. I like the color of the bristles. This is a brush set from Lavish. I'm trying to think, like, is this Sprite or Green Bay Packers? Like, what kind of color combination is this? I find it a bit odd, but you know what? not everybody likes pink. Like a lot of makeup stuff, like you always see pink brushes, like white and marble and pink and tan, but not everybody likes those colors. So this is for the people who want some louder colors, some not so traditionally like girly colors. But this goes for $30. I don't think that's too bad for 5 brushes. It's handcrafted, vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle and dramatic looks. I feel like I maybe have some lavish brushes, but I can't remember which ones they would be in my collection. I'll give you guys a little closer look. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these just because it's not my personal vibe, but other than the color, these look great. Like I have no qualms about these whatsoever. I also thought it was so funny. If you didn't see my Boxycharm Premium, so many people were trying to convince me that those LaRousse brushes are so good. And it's so funny that people will pick something out that you say in a video and then like really hone in on that. Meanwhile, totally disregarding that in the video I said the bristles are nice. I have tried this brand. I just don't like the handles. I don't like how chunky they are and I don't like the texture. And people are like, no, you need to try them. I've tried them. It's just funny to me, like people hone in on some things and are so adamant about it. But yeah, these brushes seem really nice. I don't know. I'm not decided if I'm going to keep this or not. Like it's definitely not my color story, but it might be cool for like something themed. I don't know. One more product. This is from, I'm going to guess, Tint Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. It goes for $18 and it's for definition and blendability with this pencil. Unique formulation to create precision and feather edges with a soft dab of a fingertip or beauty sponge. Beauty sponge, okay. It says it's firm yet creamy and glides with ease and creates a soft smoky eye and rich defined wing. I got the shade Pinot Noir. I'm kind of excited for this because, not that I don't know what this brand is, I'm excited to try it. So let's see what Pinot Noir looks like. It's definitely more like a burgundy. It's really cute. It's a plum burgundy, I don't know. It's like reddish purplish, but very deep. I'm just gonna blend a little bit with my finger. It definitely can really blend out and smoke out. I'm just curious like if it'll dry down a lot. Even though I've never heard of this brand, I'm definitely excited to try this. You can never go wrong with a pencil, and smoky eyeliner is definitely a thing right now, so I will certainly try this out. I got 3 items I'm really excited about, so that's fairly good. Obviously the Hot Toddy already more than the cost of the box. We got the glow wand and of course the pencil I just saw. I'm really excited for those. And then I'm like, I'm okay with the brushes. Like I'm sure that they would work well. I feel like they would. They look like pretty good quality. And then this eye serum's just not quite as suited for me. Not to say that it wouldn't be nice. I'm fairly happy with everything that I got. Ooh, I just like very gently took this makeup wipe. I was using it for lip swatches and I did like this and it's like gone. So maybe it needs more time to dry down, but I definitely want to play with it and see how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you so much for checking out my videos and showing my channel some love. If you have a moment, please leave a thumbs up. Also comment below what your favorite item is in this box. I kind of think it's this for me, which usually the hair products are not my favorite because I'm like, it's okay. But this time they hit the nail on the head with that one. So let me know what your favorite product was and make sure you're subscribed too. I want to mention this again. I'm sorry if it's repetitive, but I am seeing like a drop in my numbers overall of subscribers, and typically that means that YouTube is clearing house. So they clear out inactive accounts, but sometimes I'll have people who I know watch and comment on my videos tell me that they've been unsubscribed. So make sure to check, and if you're not already, of course, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you again. I will see you guys really soon in my next one. Bye guys.